Well, so far this year, Middle Tennessee has seen an above average number of tornadoes. However, none of them have been as devastating as those that occurred during the night of March 2nd and 3rd of last year. News 2's Davis Nolan breaks down the statistics for us.
So far for the year 2021, we've seen 24 tornadoes. Now, the average since 1950 is only 9 per year, but most of them have been weak, and more than half of them occurred on the same day.
We've had 24 tornadoes so far in 2021, which sounds like an active season, but 14 of those actually occurred on the morning of May the 4th, and all of those were EF0s. That occurred on what we call a QLCS, which is a squall line, a line of storms where you have these quick spin-up tornadoes. They're real brief on the ground for maybe a mile or two, usually are on the weaker side. So while we do have a high number, the number of tornado days really hasn't been that high.
And it's interesting to note that nowadays there are a lot more tornadoes reported than in the past. Why is that?
A big part of it is cell phones, social media. For example, the one that we had on Sunday in Mount Juliet. We would probably never get a report of that. But there was plenty of video out there on social media that we got reports of, and it did mangle a few trees, snap some large limbs off from them. But let's say 10, 15 years ago, we probably would have never heard of that tornado.
Now, Matt and the National Weather Service want you to know that even EF0 tornadoes can cause damage, injuries, and even fatalities. So it's good for you and your family to have a tornado plan in place. I'm meteorologist Davis Nolan, News 2.